So you want to make millions in residential care? I'm going to tell you how. But first, I got to tell you the truth. It's not easy. It's not going to be fun. But one thing I can guarantee you, if you stay consistent and you don't mind working long hours, you can make millions in the residential care industry. It's a numbers game. You need to own more than one facility, or you need to have a lot of beds in order to begin your journey to making millions of dollars. Like I said, it's not going to be easy. It's not for everyone. But if you want to grind hard, then you can make millions. So let's get one thing out of the way. This business is a hands-on business. This is not one of those go sit in the Bahamas and let everyone run it for you and make millions of dollars. I know some people, they'll tell you otherwise, that they're sitting in the Bahamas while making millions of dollars, but I would be hard pressed to see those people and meet those people that are actually hands off. Your service delivery is going to be a big part because that's going to be your bottom line. That's where the numbers are. That's how much you're going to be making. So first of all, the service delivery, the service level, the type of care you're providing, that is your initial start to you being able to generate the amount of money that will eventually get you to that $1 million status. So let's get some of these basics out of the way. Net versus gross. Net is your income after taxes. Gross is your income before taxes. So when you're talking to individuals and they say, I make $1 million a year, the important question is that net or gross? Because the numbers could be totally different depending on which one it is. In order for you to determine how much income you can generate from running a residential facility, you got to run the numbers. If you don't run the numbers to determine how much is going out and how much is versus how much is coming in, it doesn't make any sense. I always say, before you get into any business, not just residential businesses, you have to run the numbers because it has to make sense and it has to be profitable. Create a budget. This is the first thing you should do. Prior to any project, I always create a budget. All my expenses that are going to be going out and all the income that's going to be coming in. Am I going to be negative or I'm going to be positive? Obviously, in order for you to create millions, you have to be in the positive. Now, money is a motivator, yes, but also time is a motivator as well for you. So let's break down the time commitment that it takes in order for you to run a residential facility. How much time are you going to have to invest into being successful to reach that $1 million goal? And then you need to determine, is it worth you reaching that $1 million goal? So what is your time commitment? So you want to think about contract placement versus private placement, which one you want to deal with. Private, you control what you charge. Contract, it's a set rate. So when you're doing the math for a contract placement, you want to ensure that there is positive cash flow. When you're doing private, you can adjust it depending on the services you're offering so you can determine if you can make more money or not. The reality is some businesses, you have to invest a lot of your time into that business to make it successful. Residential care is one of those businesses. You have to be involved in the day-to-day operations in order to ensure its success. If you don't want to put in long hours, if you don't want your phone to ring on the weekends, if you don't want to deal with all types of issues that come with the field, maybe a residential facility is not for you. We'd like to thank you for watching another one of our videos. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with friends and family. You can visit us on the web at SoCalTrainingTeam.com. Thanks.